In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix DoorDash randomly logging you out. Let's get started. First thing you wanna do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Disable any VPN. Then completely close the DoorDash app and view upon it to refresh your session. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app. If you see the option of update, click on it. Likewise, clear cache for the app, so launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find DoorDash and launch it. Click on Upload app, confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, give a first restart to your device. Now try to sign back into your DoorDash account. Make sure you are using the correct email and login method. If you have forgotten your password, use the forget password option to reset it. If DoorDash continues logging you out after these steps, the problem could be related to your account or a temporary service issue. Contact DoorDash support through the app and explain that your account keeps signing you out automatically. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.